lawr i'r wyth ola wan, drwodd i'r rown nesaf. Sut deimlad ydi o fel rheolwr Denbych i fynd â nhw i'r wyth ola?
Ie, prawd iawn. Andros o falch ar hogia, dwi'n teimlo. Mae'n llwyr haeddu cyrraedd na, ond fydd o'n interesting gweld beth i ddigwydd wan. Ac yn amlwg fydd y hogia isio testio hunain erbyn cewri Uwch Gynghrair Cymru, so gen i weld pwy gawn ni.
Dwi'n meddwl siomedig o ran y ffordd nath ni chwarae yn yr 20 munud cyntaf. Dechrau dda yn y 10 munud cyntaf, wedyn nath ni ildio 2 gol sal. Wedyn nath o dynnu gwynt o'n hwylio neu braidd, a dyna ni'n deffol y mai. Ond pob parch a pob clod i Dinbych, mi oedden nhw'n wych yn mynd ymlaen, yn sicr, ac yn heiddi'r unigoliaeth, boss.
Yeah, really good performance from us. We haven't played, obviously, for a few weeks. Last time out against Clyde, we weren't great, so we wanted to put on performance in the first half, especially come out there, dominate, get the goals, and that's what we've done. And it's good to see a lot of the young lads, come on for us as well. So, yeah, really good performance, but 3 goals, I'll take it.
Owen, convincing win and 3 goals.
Yeah, no, credit to the lads. I'm only there to stick it in at the end of the day, but really convincing performance there, really pleased as well.
You got the first 2 goals, very quick goals. That settled the team down?
I think that set the tone for us. We settled into the game pretty nicely. We've struggled the last few weeks, so it started to go and come out second half, and I think that's shown today as well. But lads put a really good shift in this week, and I think it showed today.
Ni'n chwarae dda iawn iddi, chwarae teg i'r hogia, a ni'n teimlo. A ni'n bach yn shaky yn 5 munud cyntaf, gathen nhw 2 gyfle, ond chwarae teg. Ath y gol cyntaf fewn, o'n i'n teimlo bod ni'n mewn llwyr control o'r holl gêm, ac da ni wedi sgorio gols da iawn. A di gweithio ar dipyn o'r gols yna yn y trainings diwethaf yma, so mae'n bleser gweld reidio heina mewn fewn.
Fe gafon ni sawl cyfle yn mynd ymlaen. Dotha ni hi nôl i 4-1, ac o'n edrych fel bod ni'n mynd i gael y gol nesaf i greu chydig o nerfau a chydig o densiwn, ond nath ddim dod. Ond fel yma, da ni'n pêl droed de. Ond dwi'n mor falch ar hogia. Maen nhw wedi gweithio tan yr funud ola.
I've got to ask you, into the last stage of the Welsh Cup, who would you like?
Oh, we'd like someone big, maybe a Welsh Prem team. It'd be good to get him down here or go away. And TNS, Connors Key maybe.